Freshman Chan, how does that thing smell? Does it smell like roses or gasoline? Oh, I just need to know.
Please get away from me.
Tell me, or I'll figure it out myself. You know what? Domain.
Let me put you through a hypothetical.
What the fuck? This air is so intense.
Do you know who I am? I'm someone you don't want to mess with. Come here.
I can't move. Why the fuck can't I move?
Let's say you said no, but I said yes, and I said yes, and you said no. Now, I don't want to make you uncomfortable or anything, but it's gonna happen, whether you want to or not.
Fuck you! I won't let you do anything!
No, don't say another word. I'll come back for you later. focus. 私のソウルソサイティ Be quiet. I'm kneeling right now. He mocked me. Oh, check it out. That guy just got mocked. His kneeling is immaculate. He must have been training for years. Wow, that guy just cooked Walmart eyes in.
I'm so wet!
Bunkai. Just stop already. You're embarrassing yourself.